Morning classmates, ang title nung maikling dula-dulaan namin ay ang pagbuo ng pamilya.
Oh, you speak it. Somebody was translate it to English.
One day, there's two couples who is just married.
No,
Macario,
not two couple, a couple.
a couple who's just married. Ano ba?
Married?
Just get married.
Just got married.
Just got married. They are Macario and happy. And they are so very, very, very After that, they have an appointment with the health team for them to know things about family plan. And then the educators, the nurse educators came.
You speak in English, please.
I'm the nurse that will.
Who will?
Kim!
I'm the nurse who will.
Ano, tatay ka naman.
Hindi ko yung para sabi mga anak na ako. Ate Laila, ano English
Because
kasi?
you don't turn your back at your audience. It's not nice.
I'm going to pee. I'm going to pee. To pee?
Ang gamit na din mo. Kinakapsing mo.
There are two kinds of family planning. There is natural and artificial.
Nangalay na ako, nakaupo ka
Ba't kasi video?
Pinapabidyo ni Joa.
Natural and
Bakit? Wala namang kwenta.
The nurse educators
Oh, ba't ganito?
about family planning
Tignan mo.
to the couple.
Tignan mo.
And the couple
Ba't ganito?
become aware about all of this.
Hindi pa
And
Pagkabigay